friends, this is me Leneha Junsu. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing Peripera's Ink the Lacquer. The product claims that this lip tint is created using a non-transferring formula to make sure your weightless, smooth and vivid lip color stays on all day without fail. This tint is from their 2018 Fall Winter collection. It comes in 5 shades. I bought the color number 1 Cool Red Fix, which is a sharp red color. The packaging is similar to their Ink the Gelato tints packaging with a frosted plastic bottle. Expiry date is mentioned at the bottom of the bottle. The applicator is a dough foot with a rounded shape. The color of Ink the Lacquer is very pigmented that dries into pure matte velvet look. For gradient lips, it spreads nicely and gives a very beautiful look. For full lips, I had a little difficulty outlining my lips. It looks shiny while applying and then dries down matte. The color is very vibrant and makes lips appear smooth. In fact, this is a dupe of Huda Beauty, as I have used that too. I kept on eating and drinking the entire time. It doesn't transfer at all. Throughout this time, I forgot I had something on my lips. Now that's how it looks after 6 hours of eating and drinking. I will rate it 5 by 5. This is me Leneha Junsu signing off. Bye.